Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Valera, your Las Vegas Realtor from Century 21 Americana. Today's video, we are here inside the Horton, the new community Tropical Falls, which is located in north of Las Vegas. This community is offering 3 home designs. Right now, we are going to tour the Plan 3000. This home is a 2-story home, 5 bedroom, 3 bathroom, and 2-car garage. And the starting price is $523,000. Let's go inside and check this house, you guys. So welcome to the Plan 3000. Standard MDR Horton is a video doorbell, remote keyless entry, and as soon as you walk in, you will be greeted by this nice foyer. Far ahead is our open concept. Right on the left side, there is a storage situated underneath the stairs. The main level of this home is your living room, the kitchen, and there is a bedroom here. There is a coat closet. And the 2-car garage, it's locked, so unfortunately I can't show it to you guys. So this is the first bedroom on the first floor. There is a walk-in closet inside. And also outside this bedroom, it has a bathroom. Okay, right this side, this is the space for your dining table. It's a good space. And then next to it is your living area. And then your modern kitchen. I love this huge island in the middle. Love the color of the cabinets and the stainless steel appliances. And then in this house, there is a walk-in pantry. Okay, let's check the backyard. So this is the backyard right here. Normally when you purchase a home in the Horton, it comes with a dirt lot. This backyard is already done for staging purposes. Okay, let's go check the rest of the house. I'm going to show you the second floor. So on the second floor, there is 4 bedroom and a loft, and also the laundry room is upstairs. So this is the loft area, space for entertaining. This is perfect if you guys have kids. Okay, let me show you the shared bathroom right here. Tub and shower combo. Okay, and another bedroom over here. And this bedroom has a walk-in closet. Linen closet right there. And then another bedroom. And this bedroom also has a walk-in closet. So again, this plan 3000 has 5 bedroom total and 3 bathroom. So this bedroom has a standard closet. And this is your laundry area over here, and then right across there is a linen closet for your towels and blankets. Now let's go to your primary bedroom. It's a huge space. In this bedroom, you can fit a king-size bed. Now let's check the primary bath. It features a dual sink vanity. This side right here, this is your walk-in closet. This closet is huge. Right this side, this is a walk-in shower and your water closet over here, and this is a door for privacy. Okay, so this concludes our video. This plan is $523,000. If you are interested of owning one of the homes in Tropical Falls, you can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. If you have not subscribed to my channel, you can hit subscribe, like, and share my video, and let me know what you think about this house, you guys. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.